right, growth mindset, math. Math side, Panthers. Let's do this. I'm sure there's more than one or even two ways to solve this problem, but I think I'm going to show you two different ways. You try to solve it away and see what you come up with, and I'll show you the two ways that I am thinking of. Go ahead, pause the video. You can do it. Get some paper and pencil. You can do this. You've got the force. It is strong with you. Okay, so the first way, or at least it's the first way, here's the first way I'm going to show you that you can do this, is by using the formula for a, what is this? Trapezoid formula. Take the height. The height is right, the one that has a right angle with it. So this is a right angle here, so the height is 4. Fill that in. So I'm just filling 1/2 of the height, and then you're going to multiply that by base 1 times base 2. Actually, I usually make that blue. Let's stick with the blue. Base 1 plus base 2. There we go. See? Here's base 2. Base 2 in red, color code, base 1. Okay, and the height, let's do purple for now. There, purple, that's it. See, and just combine it up. 23. So we ended up with 1/2 of 4 times 23. 1/2 of 4 is 2. So 2 times 23 is 46. 46 inches squared. So what's the other way to do it? Did you decompose the shape into two different shapes and then come up with an answer? Because that's what I did. Did you do this? See, we'll just make this a triangle here, and we'll combine the triangle, this much stuff, with the rectangle, this much stuff. So, rectangle is base times height. Now it says 13, but it's really minus whatever this distance is over here. So how would you know what that distance is? Well, and we don't even have to really subtract that distance because we can see at the top right here. Oh, no, it's 10. So this also has to be 10. Actually, I didn't really even need to use that because it's here. We can just use base times height. Give us this. So there's 10 times 4. 10 times 4 is 40 inches squared. So that's the stuff here in the blue is 40 inches squared. What about the triangle over here? Well, if you made this a square, or not a square, rectangle, sorry, rectangle. What's the height? The height is the right angle one. The height is this one right here, because it makes a right angle. It's the same as this one right here, 4 inches. So the height is 4 inches. So 4 inches is the height. We're not using that 5. The 5 is leaning. If you got time to lean, you got time to clean. The 5 doesn't help us at all right here. But the 4 does. Oh, but what's this now here? What's this distance? The bottom, the base. Well, what's left? It was 13 all the way across. We subtracted this 10 here, so we have 3. 3 inches. So it's 3 times 4 is 12. 12. Maybe I better. Well, that's for the whole thing. 12 is all of this, but we don't want all of it. We just want this half raw hair that's turning into like a dark half now, the dark side. We want the dark side of the moon, which would be 1/2 of 12 is 6. Now we can take that 6 inches squared, add it to our 40 inches squared, and we got 40 inches squared plus 6 inches squared equals 46 inches squared. See, is that what we got on the last one? Yeah, same thing.